Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are working with Florida watermelon. Now, Florida watermelon are in season April through July, and look for Florida melons when you are out there in your market or your grocery store because they are delicious. Now, we've got a really fun and kind of trendy recipe that we're doing today, Florida watermelon elote bites. There's gonna be no corn in this recipe, it's all watermelon. So let's go ahead and get into our recipe. I've got my Florida watermelon on my board. What I like to do is take my large knife and I'm just gonna remove the top and the bottom. Now from this point, I can stand it right up on a flat surface and I'm gonna work down the natural curvature of the watermelon to remove the rind. From here, we can really make any kind of cuts we want, but I want to make some cuts that are about the same size as corn on the cob. So I'm going to do a little bit of knife work just to even this watermelon up and get it to the size I want. I'm just going to turn these up on their side and insert a skewer. Okay, we've got our Florida watermelon cut down to all about the same size. So the first thing I want to do is take my zester or my microplane and some fresh limes, and let's go ahead and get some lime zest on these. Now we're going to take a little bit of our smoked paprika and a little bit of our chili powder as well. We're also going to take some of our fresh cilantro. I just lightly ran my knife through it, and our Latin style crumbling cheese. Now, if you can't find this specific cheese in your grocery store, you can always use feta or Parmesan will be a great substitute. We just want that saltiness. I'm just gonna go back with a little bit of fresh lime juice. So this is a really fun recipe to do. I hope everybody will try this at home. This recipe and other great watermelon recipes are on freshfromflorida.com. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep cooking.